Sri Ambika Auto Sales and Service Amboli, one of the largest Tata commercial vehicles workshop in Western India at Surat, handling an average of 150 vehicles per day, of which oil is changed in 60 vehicles every day. The traditional method adopted was extremely time-consuming. The dealer had a separate oil store with one store in charge and 2 casual laborers. The technician first went to the spare parts store to get his requisition sanctioned, then walked down all the way to the oil store. The stores would issue oil in a drum mounted on a portable trolley, which was taken near the truck, and finally the oil was dispensed with the help of a gravity drain. When we offered a computer-based oil monitoring solution, the directors were impressed. But they were very clear. The oil should go to the truck and not otherwise. And through a challenge at Dynacorp, they would provide an Ace Mini truck, and the dispensing system has to be on a movable truck. An innovative product was born. Mobile truck for oil dispensing, the MTOD. The Ace truck was modified to suit the requirements. 5 drums were mounted on the MTOD, 2 for engine oils, 1 for gear oil, 1 for differential oil, and 1 for waste oil collection. 15-meter hose reels are provided for dispensing the oil over long distances without moving the MTOD. The vehicle is locked from the rear to ensure no unauthorized access is possible. A laptop has been given to the oil in charge, manning the vehicle. The laptop is connected through the wireless network so that billing would have online access to oil dispense data. Electric power for monitoring system and laptop is given from the vehicle battery through a UPS. The air connection for operating the oil pumps is taken from the individual bay with a coiled hose and quick release coupling provided on the MTOD. The MTOD is driven wherever the trucks are being repaired, and oil is dispensed right at the bay. The software has a graphic interface, hence there is no language barrier for the person operating the system. The operator has to select relevant reel, which is color-coded. There are only 3 entries he has to enter. 1. PIN or password. 2. Job card number. 3. Volume. The data is captured on the hard disk of the computer along with the amount of oil requested and the amount of oil dispensed. One can generate all types of reports for analyzing the data. Waste oil, which is collected by gravity in the trays, is sucked from the trays and transferred to the waste oil drum on the truck. Now look what we have achieved. No spillage of oil, reduced dispensing time, reduced manpower. A single person can operate the entire oil store. No missed out billing. Dispensing without contamination. Complete recording of oil inventories. Complete transparency. The customer can see the amount of oil dispensed on the LED display. The investment pays off within 8 to 16 months, depending on the volume of the workshop. The brand image of Tata and the dealership enhances in the eyes of the customer. A green initiative to make the dealership environment friendly. A complete lube management solution from Alentic and Orion AB Sweden and Dynacorp Engineering Private Limited for truck workshops.